Hello and welcome to this cleaning video. Here is the disc lock that I received from Texas Gym, and I think it could look nicer. The surface is not shiny, it's gray, and it also has some reminders from the tape. So I will try to clean it up and to make it look nice and shiny again. And what I use for this is basically two things. One is called BioStein, organic stone. It's actually used in the kitchen for cleaning the surface of the oven. Looks like this. It's compressed powder, and you use it for the surface, for the ceramic field. Yeah, that's one thing, and the other is it's a collection of liquids, of sprays that I use and see just which one shows the best results. It's brake cleaner, it's just a normal WD-40, and it's chain cleaner and anti-rust spray. Alright, so I'll give you a close-up view to the lock now, how it looks in the beginning, and then I will switch to the time-lapse mode, and you can relax and enjoy watching me working. Alright. So that's the final result. Nice and shiny again. I also sprayed this brake cleaner into the lock itself, and a lot of um, dark liquid came out, and after some repetition of this treatment, the key slides in and out very smoothly, and it also operates now very smoothly again. So I would say this lock is has become a really nice lock again. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Happy picking. Bye bye.